Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs, and you are joining me on day 55 of 365 days of sewing makes. That's only 310 to go. Hardly any. We can do it. Maybe. We're going to try anyway. Today I want to show you, I've already showed you this once this week. I want to show you Kwik Sew 4220. Vest, pants, crow neck sweater. I used the sleeves off of the sweater and put them on the vest. And make myself all sorts of things. Show you the line drawings. I haven't made these pants yet. I might try those one day. I have made the sweater and I will show that to you. Has princess seams, pockets, zipper, stand-up collar. I made it on day 9, was a pink fuzzy hoodie. Day 22 is a brown fuzzy jacket. Day 51, which was just a few days ago, was a kind of a blue military jacket. And I have another one cut out that hopefully I'll get to. Let me just give you a twirl. Very warm. I put sleeve bands and a hemband on it. And you may recognize this fabric. It is a very warm, cozy, thick polar fleece. On day 8, I made my husband, I made him show you a hoodie that I had made for him, and I had just enough left over to eke out this jacket. Like, honestly, you want to see me fitting pattern pieces on little remnants of material. I am the queen of that. Fitting it in. Sometimes you can't even cut it when it's folded. You have to cut pieces separately. Sometimes you have to piece linings and things like that. So do what you got to do. Use up every bit of the material. So this is very cozy. It's very good for this time of year. And it also makes me think of camping. Not that we go camping. We've actually set up a campsite here on our farm because we can't actually get away with all the animals. But we have a little clearing down in the forest where we set up our trailers and fire pit, and we go down there and have wiener roasts and whatnot with the kids in the summertime. And it's right beside the river, and it's lovely, and it feels like we're having a getaway, even though we're not getting away. So I think that makes wonderful family memories, and I don't know, I just love sitting by a fire. So I'm grateful for that. Grateful for camping with the family, even if the camping is at home. Love to hear if you like camping. And I hope through everything that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.